To install Blender 5.0 to Windows 11, we first obviously need to go and download it. So blender.org, and on the page, just click on Blender 5.0. Click. So depending on whether you have a previous version of Blender installed or not, we can either click on the button or we'll want to click on other versions. This will give us a version for an installer, self-extracting, zip, or from the Microsoft Store. In this case, we want to do zip because we have several versions of Blender already installed. So if we use the installer, it won't override these per se, but it will take priority over any previously installed versions. So if you have other versions installed, use the zip installer. Click, download. This may take some time. So click or view it in the download folder. And what we want to do here is extract all. So depending on whether you have WinZip installed or WinRAR or a archive app, we can also use Windows native zip support. So we just need to select the file and then click on extract all. So select, extract all. This will give us our location that we need to browse to. Blender Foundation. We want to use that folder. Again, this is why if we have several versions installed, we want to use the zip because we can install that into its own directory. So Blender Foundation, that's fine. All those different versions, select folder, extract. That will do its thing. Let's open up the location where it extracted all that to. So we now need to go into the folder and create a desktop icon. So right click on blender.exe, click drag that onto the desktop. We'll get an option, create shortcut here. And it creates our shortcut. So rename Blender 5.0. Double click. And if this is the initial startup, first time, we'll get the setup pop-up where we want to set our mouse preference. We'll go with the traditional right. Save preferences and just click anywhere and we are ready to use Blender.